Hi folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy, right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. Today we're going to show you how to set up our AquaGarden Mini Pond Kit. This is from Aquascapes. This is an AquaGarden Mini Pond Kit. This can be on your patio, it can be inside or outside. We like to use it outside, but we're going to show you, after I show you how to initially set it up, we're going to show you a finished product, and you can make this your own. Once the initial setup is done, you can do whatever you want to with it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So the initial setup is fairly easy. You've got your actual pond, you've got the filter system here. It comes with a light under the little waterfall and a pump. It also comes with some decorative gravel and some biofilter media, which is also substrate for plants if you want to use plants. Now, I'm not going to be putting the media or the rocks in this one. I'll show you the finished product. I just want to show you how easy it is to set up. Because once you take it out of the box, basically it's a simple tub with a filter and a pump and a light kit. Now, so your light kit is already pre-strung in here. And then your pump is, you're going to have to attach the pump to the bottom of the filter, and you have to use the little washer that they provide. Put the washer in there. You take your pump, and it's just like screwing something onto an end of a spigot. You put your pump, it just screws on, okay? The pump actually has what we call a low suction intake, a low intake suction on the out of it, so even if your pond gets a little low, it will keep sucking water. You want to keep your pond level, the water high, but still, even if it gets low, you'll still get some suction with this low suction intake. Now, so your cord on your pump also comes up through the little notches in the back so that you don't have any wasted space and you don't have any obstructions when you're putting your filter on the back of your pond. That sits right on there flush. So you're sitting in there flush and your pump is on the back of this thing. And now all you have to do is, typically you would put your substrate, this is filter material, your substrate, you'd wash this off and put it into your filter, okay? If you're going to put plants in, you take your water plants and rinse the roots, because this substrate is a soilless media for your plants. Then you go ahead and plant your plants in the top of the waterfall. We'll show you about that. Then the black gravel goes on top of your media, so that because your media is light and can float, you need to weigh that down with your black decorative gravel. That goes on top of your filter, and your regular decorative rock goes in the bottom so that you don't see the plastic bottom. Then you fill it with water and you plug it in, and the pump recirculates the water. Now we're going to show you the finished product. It's very easy, simple setup that you do, but the finished product is what you're going to enjoy. Okay, as you can see, this is the finished product. Now we've added a couple of extra things here. The Aquascape stand, you can purchase a stand if you want it standing up above the ground level. The stand is $99. It can sit on the ground too. We've also added an AquaGarden plant light. If you're going to be indoors, you may need artificial light for growing plants. If it's going to be outside, then there's no need for the light. So whether you want it on the ground or on a stand, or if you're going to be inside, you probably want to purchase the grow light. Now in here, we've added a fairy house, a stone, a couple of fairies, a piece of driftwood, a little turtle, and a bridge. And you see where we've planted our plants right inside the top of this filter, and the water is just flowing over. Now if you didn't have this light here, you've got that extra light on the bottom of your waterfall, so you could do many different things with it, and at night it's going to light up anyway even without this light. Okay, so you can make it your own by adding a number of different little items, different types of plants. It can be indoors or outdoors. It's a very simple, easy setup in order for you to get running water, the soothing sound of running water anywhere you want. Greg, your friendly garden guy, saying get your hands wet. It's good for you.